Before I start with my video, I would want to say neither am I a doctor nor an expert. My video today is completely based on the research that I have done. You can find related links in the description given below. So, how will we get rid of COVID-19, or how will this world get eradicated with coronavirus? Let me tell you, there is a concept as herd immunity. So, what is it? It means that maximum people, nearly 80% of people, will get immune to this disease. And how would that happen? Let us check. What is herd immunity? From the disease, and hence it would stop from spreading. So let us see what is it. As per the diagram in the first box, you can see that very few people are infected, which are in red, and rest are healthy but not immune, which are in blue. Hence the disease is spreading. In the next box, which is stage 2, there are few people who have got immune, which are in yellow, and though they are between those who are infected, they are still safe. And now we move on to third stage, that is the third box. Here slowly people are getting immune, which you can see in yellow, and now the stage has come which is preventing the disease from spreading. So how will this immunity develop? There are two ways. The first is there is a vaccine to COVID, which will certainly take a lot of time. And the second way is our own body. So our body mechanism is made in such a way that slowly and gradually we will get immune to this disease. Let me explain you with an example. Suppose you stay in Ahmedabad, where it is hot nearly for 8 months, and the rest of the 4 months, which are cold, are moderate cold. Now you move on to Canada, where there is an extreme climate, there is snowfall. For 2 to 3 months it is extremely cold, wherein it is moderately cold in rest of the 8 months. Now if a person going from Ahmedabad goes to Canada, he will face a challenge for a year or two. But after that he gets immune, he gets used to this climate, because our body is made in such a way. This is exactly how it would work when it goes to this situation or this disease, which is corona. Our body will slowly and gradually get immune to this disease. Most of the disease in past have worked on the same principle. So now the question is, when will the third stage of herd immunity come? The third stage will come when 60% of people get infected to this disease. So do you mean that the decision of lockdown was a wrong decision? No, it wasn't. The process of herd immunity has to be elongated, and it should be on a longer period of time. The graph of herd immunity should not be very sharp, it should be spread on a longer area. Let me give you an example of India and America. In India, the cases today are nearly 2000, wherein the death rate is 400. Hence, the death ratio or the mortality ratio is 3%. Wherein in America, there are nearly 6 lakh cases and 24,000 deaths. So that means the mortality ratio is nearly 5%. Now, because their graph is extreme, the mortality ratio is higher. Hence, it is very necessary that the process is elongated and it is spread to a longer period of time. So, when the third stage comes, 80% of people will be immune to this disease. Out of the rest 20%, 10% would be easily cured, 10% would be critical, and if your graph is spread to a longer period, your death ratio would be 3%. Hence, the option available today is we need to work on our own immunity system. There is no other way out but to work on our immunity system, and this is what I do for my family. I make them do yoga and pranayama. I make them drink lots of water, and I give them kadha every day. So, what are the ingredients for this kadha? There are 7 ingredients: lemon, ginger, black pepper, tulsi, cinnamon or dalchini, ganthoda, honey and jaggery. The only option available to us is to work on our own immunity. Please do that. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and share.